Making a doctor's appointment opening. Welcome to Master English Smartly. Today, we'll learn how to make a doctor's appointment in English. You'll hear a natural conversation, pick up useful vocabulary and phrases, and feel more confident booking a medical appointment. Let's begin. Alex is feeling unwell and calls a clinic to schedule an appointment. He speaks with the receptionist, Sarah. Phone rings, receptionist answers. Good morning, Green Valley Medical Clinic. How may I assist you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor.
Sure. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Alex Carter.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. What seems to be the issue today?
I've been having a sore throat and a fever for the past 2 days.
I'm sorry to hear that. Would you like to see a general physician?
Yes, that would be great.
All right. Our earliest available appointment is tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Would that work for you?
Do you have anything earlier?
Let me check. We do have a cancellation. There's an opening today at 4 p.m. Would you like to take it?
Yes, that works. Thank you.
Great. You're booked for today at 4 p.m. with Dr. Jameson. Please bring your ID and insurance card if you have one.
Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you soon. Take care. Vocabulary and phrases. Make an appointment to schedule a meeting with a doctor. Earliest available appointment. The soonest time a doctor is available. General physician. A doctor who treats common illnesses. Sore throat. Pain in the throat, often due to infection. Fever. A high body temperature, often due to illness. Cancellation. When someone cancels their appointment, making the slot available. Insurance card. A card that shows medical coverage details. Learning points: how to start a call. Hi, I'd like to make an appointment with a doctor. Do you have any available slots today? How to describe symptoms. I have a sore throat and fever. I haven't been feeling well for the past 2 days. How to confirm an appointment. That works for me. Thank you. Do you have anything earlier? Ending the conversation politely. Got it. Thank you. See you soon. Take care. Now you know how to book a doctor's appointment confidently in English. If you found this lesson helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next lesson. Stay healthy and keep learning.